show. I like the title of the show, like uh how you hack the money system with the trust, right? Like
Mhm.
that's uh we need practical, everyday, doesn't take much time solutions to handle our money, and keep everything safe, secure, and not give money to the government and the government starts paying us money. I mean, that's it. Accountant is supposed to be like, hey, here's how you lower how much money you give to the government. Okay, I'm an accountant. I teach you how to lower how much money you give to the government to zero. And then not, then you move over to another category, right? Now the government is going to pay us money, and you get them to pay money, services, all that stuff. And the reason is because once you open up a trust, say you're actually running like two businesses, two corporations, whatever you want to call them, two different business entities, right? They used to call it, hey, that's you. But it's really a person, it's really a type of a business that the government makes to track our finances and stuff. That's convenient.